Hey everyone! So we're going to go ahead and finish up on our plot diagram for the true story of the Three Little Pigs. So this is where we left yesterday. We have the exposition at the bottom left, where we talked about the characters, the setting, and the basic information. So the wolf is baking a cake and needs sugar, and that he has a cold. Then we went up the mountain with our rising action events. So the first one was the wolf needs sugar for his granny's birthday cake. He goes to his neighbor to ask for some. The second event was that the first pig did not give him any sugar. He accidentally sneezes, blows down the house, and then he eats the pig. And then the third event is that he does the exact same thing to the pig's brother. So now we're at the very top. This is the climax. So this is where everything gets a little hectic. Everything is like you're on the edge of your seat. You're ready to know what's going to happen next. So the climax for this story, I asked you yesterday what you thought it might be. This is when the wolf asks the third pig for sugar, and the pig made fun of his granny instead of sharing his sugar. So then the wolf tries to break into the pig's house because he was being mean about his grandma. So then we'll put that at the very top. You can see right here. And now we have 3 more events going down the right side of the mountain. So these are our falling action events. The first one is when the news reporters found out what the wolf had done. The next one is the news reporters embellished the story to make the wolf look bad. And then what happened right after that was that the owl wolf is framed as the big bad wolf. So then we'll put that on our diagram here, 1, 2, and 3, because these are all events that are happening in the story, but they're not the climax. This is not the turning point of the story, but it's not quite the end either. The end is the resolution, or you can call it the conclusion, and that is when Owl Wolf is put in jail. And that's the very end of the story. Everything is tied up in a neat little bow. So we have just done a plot map for the true story of the Three Little Pigs. We'll continue working on this a little more next week. So just go ahead and get ready for that. And if you have any questions, just let us know.